Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on YouTube. So first of all, as you can see, I've logged into my account on YouTube, and as you can see, you're going to see the notification bell at the top, right? Click on it, and basically you get to see the notifications, right? And basically, if you don't want to get a notifications, or you don't want to get a bell on the top, and you don't want to get notified by anything, just go ahead and click the settings next to the notifications, and basically scroll a little bit down right here, and you get to see the general, and make sure that you toggle these ones off, right? Your notifications on this browser, toggle it off, and your subscription, make sure that is turned off. The same goes for recommended videos, activity on my channel, just toggle it off. If you don't want to get mentions, comments, shared content, or promotional content and offerings, just go ahead and toggle these one off. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.